Looking for the best smart LED bulb to upgrade your home in seconds? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 smart LED bulbs that deliver better lighting, energy savings, and easy voice control, all tested and compared for real-world use in the USA. Subscribe to the channel for honest reviews and smart home buying tips. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Philips Hue Smart LED Bulb. The Philips Hue Smart LED bulb is one of the most popular smart lighting options, and for good reason. This bulb is designed to give you complete control over your home lighting, right from your phone or voice assistant. You can adjust brightness, change colors, and set schedules to match your daily routine or mood. One of the biggest advantages of Philips Hue is reliability. The light response is fast, the colors look rich and natural, and the app is very easy to use. It works smoothly with popular smart home systems like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. You can create scenes for relaxing, working, or watching movies, all with just a few taps. On the downside, full features work best when paired with the Hue Bridge, which means a bit more setup. Also, if you only need basic smart lighting, this system might feel more advanced than necessary. Setting it up is simple. Screw in the bulb, connect it through the Hue app, and start customizing your lighting instantly. It's great for living rooms, bedrooms, gaming setups, or anyone building a smart home. Personally, I think Philips Hue delivers premium performance, strong smart features, and long-term reliability. It's ideal for users who want high-quality smart lighting with full control. See the description for more details. Number 2. Linkind Smart LED Bulb. The Linkind Smart LED bulb is designed to bring convenience, control, and customization into your everyday lighting. It connects easily to your home Wi-Fi and works with popular smart assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing you to control your lights using simple voice commands or a mobile app. You can adjust brightness, change colors, set schedules, and create different lighting scenes for work, relaxation, or entertainment. One of the biggest pros is how easy it is to set up. You don't need a hub, and the app is user-friendly, even for beginners. The color range is vibrant, and the bulb responds quickly to commands. It's also energy efficient, making it suitable for daily use. On the downside, it does rely on a stable Wi-Fi connection, and advanced features may take a little time to explore if you're new to smart lighting. In my analysis, this bulb is a solid option for anyone looking to upgrade their home lighting without complexity. It's great for bedrooms, living rooms, gaming setups, or even home offices. Personally, I think the Linkind Smart LED bulb is ideal for users who want smart control, flexible lighting, and modern convenience in one simple package. See the description for more details. Number 3. Amazon Basics Smart LED Bulb. The Amazon Basics Smart LED bulb is a simple and reliable way to upgrade your home lighting without making things complicated. This smart bulb connects directly to your Wi-Fi, so there's no extra hub required. You can control it using the Amazon Alexa app, voice commands, or your phone whether you're at home or away. In daily use, the bulb delivers consistent brightness and smooth color control. You can choose warm or cool white, or switch to different colors to match your mood, movie night, or work setup. Scheduling is easy, allowing the lights to turn on or off automatically, which is great for convenience and home routines. Pros include its setup is quick, controls are responsive, and it integrates seamlessly with Alexa-enabled devices. It's ideal for beginners who want smart lighting without technical hassle. A small inconvenience is it works best inside the Amazon ecosystem, so advanced features are limited if you don't use Alexa. Also, it's designed more for everyday use than advanced smart home customization. Personally, I think this bulb is a solid choice for anyone wanting smart lighting that just works. It's perfect for apartments, bedrooms, offices, and anyone new to smart home tech. See the description for more details. Number 4. Govee Smart LED Bulb. The Govee Smart LED bulb, a popular smart lighting option designed to upgrade your everyday home experience. This bulb connects easily to your home Wi-Fi and gives you full control through the Govee app. You can adjust brightness, change colors, set schedules, and choose from millions of colors to match your mood. It also works with voice assistance, so you can turn lights on or off using simple voice commands. Pros include the biggest advantage is customization. The colors are vibrant, the white tones are clean, and transitions are smooth. Setup is quick, and the app is user-friendly, even for beginners. You also get smart features like timers, scenes, and automation that make daily life more convenient. A small inconvenience is on the downside: it relies heavily on the app, so a stable internet connection is important. Advanced features may take a little time to explore if you're new to smart lighting. Personally, I think this bulb delivers strong performance, reliable connectivity, and creative lighting control. It's great for setting ambience, improving productivity, or enhancing entertainment spaces. Perfect for smart home beginners, content creators, gamers, or anyone who wants smarter, more flexible lighting. If you want to upgrade your lighting the smart way, this is definitely worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 5. Kasa Smart LED Bulb. The Kasa Smart LED bulb, a popular smart lighting option designed to make your home more convenient and modern. This smart bulb connects directly to your Wi-Fi, so there's no hub required. Using the Kasa app, you can control your lights from anywhere, turn them on or off, adjust brightness, change colors on compatible models, and set schedules or timers. It also works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, making voice control smooth and reliable. Pros include the setup is quick and beginner-friendly. The app is clean and easy to navigate. The light output is bright, consistent, and energy efficient. Scheduling and automation work very well, especially for daily routines like waking up or winding down at night. A small inconvenience is it requires a stable Wi-Fi connection, and advanced features depend heavily on the app. If your internet goes down, remote control won't work. Kasa Smart bulbs strike a great balance between performance and simplicity. They're reliable, responsive, and ideal for everyday smart home use. Just screw in the bulb, open the app, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go in minutes. Perfect for smart home beginners, renters, families, and anyone who wants easy smart lighting without extra hardware. If you want dependable smart lighting that just works, this is a solid choice. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.